Hello, my name is Dornal and here I'm presenting my video for the final oral test about my country preference. My country preference is USA. All the typical food they serve there like pizza, hot dogs, all people know, everyone has ever eaten. But that place also has one of the worst food in the world. Like they have like one of the worst restaurants ever, I think, and also the fast food they serve there. Actually, there was good. There are some ones, but 90% of the time they're really, 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 really bad. Well, actually, the pizza comes from Italy, but that's one of the places that pizza is more popular. Some people confuse it. It comes from Italy, but that's the place who make the boom. Okay, let's continue. Some of the natural formations that people like to visit are Mount Rushmore, Central Street, and the Statue of Liberty. The classic ones, the really ones. I was actually in Statue of Liberty when I was very little. I think one day I will come back there. And the weather depends. Like if you live a lot in the north, close to Canada, it always will be cold, cloudy, and sometimes can be sun, but it always will be cloudy and you have to wear some winter clothes. But if you live like me in Florida, Los Angeles, and Hollywood, it's really sunny, always sunny. But there's a time in the seasons that is always there can be a lot of rains, and yeah, there are a lot of rains. Sometimes it depends. So yeah, it's always like that, and the natural disasters. California, San Francisco, and New York, they will know because of natural disasters always being the same one: earthquakes. And there's the rare occasion then comes a hurricane in that place, but for the other half of the country, it's always or a tornado or a hurricane. So yeah, actually I live in 2018. I lived one of the most powerful and one of the biggest hurricanes ever. Trust me, all the place where my dad buy the house to stay for that time, the park get destroyed. Almost slow. All the things are messed up. Signs over. A palmer, a tree fell down. Trust me, all the people came out, but I swear that thing was like almost in a half the park. I believe that place was fulminated. It's like some kind of giant come over and make an earthquake. But wow, I was impressed, and my family too, and was a pretty dark but also fun experience because it's my first time. But everyone makes fine, nothing happened. My uncles live there are totally fine, and ever since never happened a hurricane. Probably in the future, but I don't think so. So this is my video for the final oral exam. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.